Pero eto muna, si Stewardess Saida.
Yeah, where's the puyat to kagabi dahil show.
Ay, kamustahin natin yung show?
How was the show?
It was very successful.
How many tickets sold?
It's like 300 plus, 400.
Uy, biro mo kahapon na 6 lang tapos naging 300. Galing.
Bangaw.
No. What about this? Baka there's bangaw, ha?
No, I prepared. Wow, one lollipop.
Ang galing, no? One lollipop.
One lollipop.
Pag-aawayan pa natin.
No, don't be sad.
Why
Don't be
only
sad.
one lollipop?
Okay, close your eyes first.
Ay.
Baka you'll kiss us, ha?
Ay, wag.
Okay. Oh!
Trick or treat. Is that a trick or a treat?
Both.
It's a trick and a treat. Thank you very much, Stewardess Saida.
Kaya lang, parang kulang. Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Tinira na ni Boy Siba. Ayun. Pataba na ng pataba tong isang to. Okay. Thank you, Stewardess Saida.
Thank you.